Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi fairies. Welcome back to my channel. So we had one day off because things were chaotic here, but welcome back. Welcome back, back. So I'm gonna say thank you first of all to my new subscribers. Thank you for joining this awesome family, and also thank you to my old subscribers, my returning subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. And if you're seeing this gorgeous freeze for the first time, this brown skin girl, go ahead, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and also click the post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop something juicy and you come over and do justice. Okay, today I'm gonna be sharing all what I got on my birthday, which happens to be Valentine's Day, to all of you. I have a lot of packages. Like if I pull down my camera down, like around me is flooded with gifts. So I'm going to review all of that with you. So I've got a lot. When I mean a lot, let me show you. I've got this. That's a lot. So let's begin. I'm going to begin with the smallest package I have, which is this gorgeous I don't know what's inside, so I'm opening, so you and I are gonna see it with me. So let's see. I hope you can see. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, guys, can you see that beauty? Ah, that's gorgeous. Let's try it on. Let's try it on. Let's try it on. Let's try it on. I hope I don't break it, because let's try one on. But this is gorgeous, and it is blue, one of my favorite colors. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Woo. Okay, that is good. I think I'm gonna wear this the whole of the video, because I don't think I'm gonna take it off tonight. Oh my gosh, I'm not an earring person, but when I do wear earrings, it has to be something massive and gorgeous. And then let me come closer. Guys, can you see that? Ooh! Okay, this is my first. Oh, this is my first set of gift, and what do you think? It's gorgeous, right? You can recommend like a kind of look you want me to do so that I can feature this gorgeous earring. This was given by my pastor. Yeah, this was given to me by my pastor. One more time. Okay, the next gift is this, and see what's inside. I think there are like 2 shoes inside. Ooh, that's gorgeous. See, it's like, I don't know, this silvers, it's rubber and it's good for the season. Very soon we're gonna be entering the rainy season. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. There's another one. Ooh, I have always wanted this. Let's take it out of that. Ooh, guys, I have always wanted this. Is this one too in another package, but I think it's around like 4 pairs of silvers. So we're just gonna tie it and take it off. Okay, we have one. Oh, there are 4. I think they all fell out. So we have this one, a black silvers. I have the pink one. I think blue one. Take it out of the wrap. Show you how it's white and it's gorgeous. So we've opened like 3 gifts already and I am so in love. Thank you guys for sending me this gift. Actually, for the things that came as delivery, I have no idea where they came from or who it's from. So that's what's up. The next package I'm going to show you guys is this. Another thing I got for my birthday were like bags, and this was given to me 1 week before the actual day. So it's this bag here. It's Prada. I think this is Prada Milano. Okay, you see, this was one of the gifts that was given to me. I already opened it and used it since it was given to me. I think 2 weeks or a week before the day, so I had already opened it and used it. So I'm just showing you guys the inside. Show that it's a clean Prada. It has the tags inside. It's clean. It's just this gorgeous shoebox. So let's take off. Okay. And then there is a white box in there, so it is a shoe. Guys, I don't know what's inside this, so let me make you guys be the first to see, and I'll just peep on my monitor. Oh my world, guys, are you seeing this? Holy, guys, I need to take this off the wrap and show you this. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is a Korean sneakers. It comes with two straps like that. I like the sole. It's so dramatic. The thing I'm going to show you is the heels. This one I know what they look like because I got it on my, like on the birthday day. It was part of the shoes I showed in my what I did on Valentine's Day vlog. But before we go there, let's just admire these babies one more time. Okay, let's start with the shoes. The first shoe is from Step 1 strut. This is in the size 8. I'll show you guys. So it's just a strap, like about 1.5 inches heel shoe. It has this studs in the front on the straps. This pair of heel I got. The next pair of heel is also from Step 1 straps. I think Step 1 is in so Step 1 straps in the size 8.5, and in the color it's Squash Rose Gold. Take it off, you see it's a rose gold, almost like a champagne color. So this is the second shoe I got. So and my last gift for the day. I think more are coming, so if you haven't sent me a gift yet, you can still send me, okay? It's from Fioni. Yeah, Fiomi or Fioni. Fioni. I like the box and the color of the box. So let me show you. They don't, okay. The Fioni is in the size 9 and in the color blush rubber. Don't know if you can see blush rubber. Let's see. I know off the camera, because I'm looking at my monitor, it shows as if it's like white, but it's like this pink. Like that. So let me try and maybe in the daylight, let me change the lighting, maybe you can see. Oh, it doesn't do justice. The lighting doesn't do justice to this, but it's like in a pink, this thing. So that's all the things I got for my birthday, and I wanted to share with you guys. For this video, please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you like this kind of things, like haul videos, you let me know, and then I'll try to do them for you if I have the money. If I don't have, please, you leave me alone. Joke land. So that brings an end to all